Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Guys, if you're getting the problem in your Shopify opening soon, whenever you open your app or website, Shopify shows that coming soon. So how you can fix the trouble of coming soon on your Shopify website, I will tell you. So I hope you like this video and subscribe our channel Zero to Infinity so we can upload daily informative content for you guys. So in my experience, it takes some time to change on Google, because do you still have a opening soon site in your backend? So maybe you can delete it. Well, what happened, it's a feature that they show that in their website a new feature will came out. When you try to open that, this show that coming soon, because they are working on that feature, and that's why they show that this feature is still under maintenance, and they are working on it, and that's why they show that coming soon. Leave your email and we will let you know when the shop opens. The server or the shop is closed because the product is not available. That's why this problem arises. So whenever your product will be in the stock, you can enter email address. They will send you an email or message, and they will tell you that now the product is available. You can simply buy it. So it's a very good that they provided email, but it takes some time. So I hope you will wait some time, and this problem will be fixed then. So in this way you can fix this trouble. I hope you will like this video and subscribe our channel for more and more informative content.